Hello, good evening. This is a 2014 Lexus ES 350 with a V6 engine and with a code a P0420. That is a malfunction in the upper catalytic converter in the bank one. I am doing this video because I haven't found any good video regarding the removal and the installation of the oxygen sensor. So yeah, here we go. First of all, I'm gonna do this work from the top because from the bottom it's really difficult to go to the oxygen sensor. So I am going to work with the from the top of the engine bay. As you can see, I already pull out the wiper, the wipers and the plastic covers. There they are. The wipers are 14 millimeter bolts. You just only need to unscrew them and they will pop out. And the plastic cover, it is with some clips. You have to pry them out, and yeah, that's it. Right now, I'm going to remove the wiper motor, and it is only secure with a 8 10 millimeter bolts, 3 here, 2 over there, and 3 here. Once I've removed that, you just remove the clips and everything will pop out. Now, as you can see, I already removed the wiper engine, the wiper motor apparatus where it hanging around. It is here. It's only a couple bolts, like I said, 10 inches. 3 here. One in the this one is in the driver side. 3 over here, and 1 here, and the other 1 here. So let's go to the where the O2 sensor is located. So as you can see, there is already removed. I already removed it. The O2 sensor is right about here. As you can see, just to get a sense of direction, this is the top of the engine, and right back here, besides the below the intake manifold, it is the O2 sensor. I already hit the engine. I started about 4 or 5 minutes ago, and I soaked it with PP Blaster. So yeah, it is really difficult to pull it from below the car because it is in a really awkward position. This is the new sensor with 2 sockets that it will help you remove the sensor. The sensor is 7/8 or 22 millimeters. This is a deep socket with a groove, and this is a small one. I highly recommend the small one because it is like this is first of all, this is half an inch. This is 1/4. And this is gonna make your life a little bit miserable. And the other thing is that the although it's 7/8, the same size as the O2 sensor, it is a little bigger And what we'll do is gonna chew the the nut when you remove the O2 sensor. This one is a little tighter, and also the groove in which we will you put will insert the cable of the O2 sensor is not gonna be too much of a problem. And also, like I said before, it's a little tighter around the edge of the sensor, which is gonna be a little easier to remove. Okay, now it is removed. The O2 sensor. This is the old one. This is the new one. And update. I highly recommend this tool right here because it makes the job a lot easier. It's a Duralast oxygen sensor crowfoot wrench, half-inch drive, 7/8, 22 millimeters, 6-point offset. This is the one. This is the baby. It made me the job a lot of easier. Of course, I soaked it with PB Blaster, and I soaked the oxygen sensor with a lot of PB Blaster, and I turned on the engine about 5 to 10 minutes, to heat the the washer and the threads. But yeah, a little elbow grease, and with two extensions, half-inch wrench with two extensions and a wobbly bit or U-joint, universal joint, because it is a really difficult place to remove the placement of the oxygen sensor. There it is, the new O2 sensor with everything, and I put back the clip. I connected already the sensor to the engine, and yeah, that's about it. Now to put all the things back on, and yeah, let's see it is a job well done, or did I mess it up with somewhere else.